I never been a snake, so I ain't matching energy. Cause them losses really be blessings, they be enemies. If you my dog, then you my dog, just stay tuned with me. We never starve, I got a dub, then we got 10 apiece. Feel a fake through them handshakes, you ain't no kin to me. Call your brother behind your back, they really frenemies. Man, them losses really be blessings, they be enemies. If you my dog, then you my dog, stay tuned with me. If you my dog, then you my dog.
Hey, I'm LP and I'm back with another video. Hey y'all, what's up? Alright guys, as y'all can see my water's boiling. And I'm gonna make a pasta dish. I'm gonna bake it in the oven. And I'm gonna use linguine noodles, okay? I'm gonna show y'all step by step what I'm gonna do to this dish. My niece coming up, every time she come up, she say, Aunt Pam, can you make something for me and the kids and my husband to eat? And I always hook them up. So I'm gonna make this dish. It's gonna be something simple and fast. Over here I got some baby back ribs. I'm gonna make a couple baby back ribs. And I got some chicken. I'm gonna clean that. I'm gonna make some hot wings. Okay? So when I'm once I get started, I'll be back, guys.
Bro, what are you talking about?
Okay guys, so I'm back. So I put a little oil in my pan. I'm going to add my peppers into my pan. I know my grandkids and stuff, they're going to be eating this too. They don't really like onions. I'm not putting a whole lot, but I got to season my food, you know? So what I did was add some peppers. Put a little oil in the pan, add my peppers, and onions. I'm using red, yellow, and orange, and I'm using onions. Like I said, I didn't cut a whole lot up, but I have to use some because I want my food to be seasoned. Alright, so I'm going to let that cook up and I'm going to come back. Alright guys, the noodles is coming through. Now you can't really see, but they coming through. And we're going to get the hamburgers and the seasoning, peppers and stuff all cooked up. And I'll be back.
But I'm hungry. Close my damn fridge!
Okay guys, for your when you make your hot wings, do not season your wing wings. These some big wing wings, but don't season them because the sauces is going to season them. But what you do is you cook them as crispy as you can get them. So when you put them in the sauce, they still have that crunch, that crispiness to them. So I'm gonna let these keep going. And over here, I'm getting me some garlic cheese bread ready to go in the oven. I'm even making some broccoli. And I'm making some pasta because everybody don't eat the same thing. I'm gonna make some of this creamy garlic shells. I'm gonna make some of that. Okay, guys, I'll be back. My pasta is in the oven already. Old Bay, hot sauce, butter, a pinch of sugar, and a little cayenne. Like 3 tablespoons of butter. And I'm mixing it up, and I'll be back. Hey y'all, I'm back. Look where I'm at. I'm in my chair. If y'all know me, you've been watching me for a while, y'all know about this chair. I've been ordered it, and I'm going to celebrate it one day when I get to my 1,000 subscribers. I'm almost there. I'm getting there, y'all. But anyway, I don't want to drag my video on too long. I made my pasta in the oven, and I'm going to show y'all what else I made with it. Okay, I made some broccoli, some baby back ribs, some garlic bread toast, and I made the pasta. I don't know if you can see it that good. But I'm about to try it. And That's it. I'm going to try it, and then I'm out. It's hot, y'all. Y'all know my food be real hot. I like my food really hot. Okay. It's hot. Pretty good. This is actually my dinner. I'm not going to eat it all on here, but I'm just showing you. I made broccoli. I like to have vegetables with anything I eat. This is the bread. It's garlic, Parmesan bread. Yeah. This is my baby back ribs I made. Turned really hot. I don't really hold it. So I hope everybody has had a good Christmas, a Merry Christmas. And we know the New Year coming. So I'm hoping everybody have a great New Year. Keep working on your channels. I know y'all got, life besides on YouTube, but you still got to make time for your channel as well. This pasta is hot. Trying to let it cool down. But it's good. The hot wing. I told you in the video what I added into my hot sauce to make it. Don't never put seasoning on the chicken when you make a hot wing, because it's gonna be seasoned, the butter, and when you season the hot sauce, the butter and hot sauce really make a good seasoning. Some people just like a lot of salt and stuff, but if you ever just fry your wings and you just mix butter and hot sauce and pour it on there, you'll be like, wow, you don't even need no salt in that, for real, for real. I decided to eat dinner early. Okay, guys. I hope y'all like my video, my baked pasta video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell so when I'm dropping my videos, y'all can be right here with me. And guess what? I'm going to catch y'all in my next video. Peace.